Hey friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're spicing up your bathroom with light. Get ready for 10 bathroom lighting hacks to transform your space. Smash that like button and let's dive into a world of shimmer and shine. First up, add LED strip lights around your bathroom mirror. It's not just for Hollywood stars. This gives you better light for grooming and adds a glam touch to your bathroom. Number 2, light up your shower area. Waterproof LED lights can create a relaxing spa-like atmosphere. Imagine showering under soft blue or green lights. Hack 3, for a chic look, use vintage-style bulbs over your vanity. They give off a warm, cozy glow, perfect for a retro vibe. Hack 4, mason jar wall sconces. DIY alert. Turn mason jars into wall sconces. Fill them with fairy lights or small bulbs for a rustic, charming feel. Hack 5, floating shelf glow. Add a floating shelf with built-in lighting underneath. It's great for extra storage and brings a modern, sleek look with its soft illumination. Hack 6, colorful bath time. Want to make bath time fun? Waterproof, color-changing LED lights in your bathtub can set the mood, from calm blues to energizing reds. Hack 7, light up toilet seat. Yes, you heard that right. A light-up toilet seat can be both practical and amusing, especially for late-night visits. Hack 8, ceiling star lights. Create a starlight effect on the ceiling with small LED lights. It's like having a mini galaxy above you while you relax in the tub. Hack 9, sensor night lights. For those middle-of-the-night trips, install sensor night lights. They'll guide you without the harshness of regular lights. Hack 10, decorative pendant lamps. Lastly, hang a decorative pendant lamp for a touch of elegance. It can be a focal point and add character to your bathroom. Like and follow for more. Comment for any links. Thank you.